Hi Kimberly, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about this specific automobile. Well, I wanted to pull it out and give you a brief on it, but this will give you a great overview. We have got so many in stock to choose from, but this is your car. Let's get right to it. This has got the very sporty alloy wheels. This is the little Veloster Turbo manual transmission. Now, on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. Pair your phone before you drive off the lot. Your trip button toggles through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips for safety purposes. This also comes equipped with a backup camera, CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months, auxiliary iPod, USB. Now, Kimberly, it also comes equipped with the latest BlueLink telematics, #1 technology amongst all manufacturers. We'll go into more of that whenever you and I meet. But I want to tell you the most important thing, that is the America's best warranty. There is a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell, 205-907-4700. Again, Shannon, 205-907-4700. Kimberly here at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting you very soon. Thank you.